Yo, hello, सबको hello. What's up, game? यार थोड़ा रिसर्च करना है अपने को. अभी करते हैं. Wait, let me just check if we are live. Yes, we are live. Bluetooth हेलो कर लेते हैं चैट में. Cool. Okay, okay. Okay. यार अगर मैं अकेला रहता कितना सही रहता. Hmm. तो पहले चलते हैं जब मेरे को जो चीज़ें पर कंफर्म करना है उसको कर लेते हैं. देन पहले आज वो बनेंगे, देन किसी और चीज़ पे काम करेंगे. जस्ट चेकिंग. वैसे तो मेरे को पता है ऑलमोस्ट ये फास्ट ही होगा. See, I told you. Okay, फ्लैट पे चले जाते हैं. इसको हार्ड देखते हैं, खुद को हार्ड देखते हैं. पता नहीं क्या कर रहा हूँ. रिप्लाई कर सकता हूँ. सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट नहीं चाहिए. ये तो कंपनी का है, इस पे कुछ नहीं कर सकते. न्यू प्रोजेक्ट किसने बनाया है? जेटपैक कंपोज और नॉर्मल. लेट्स गो नॉर्मल. जावा. जावा एप्लीकेशन विल बी व्हाट इट विल बी. कैमरा. कैमरा. कैमरा व्हाट. वेबकैम. मॉब कैम है. मंगना. मॉब कैम. everything's good. Great, I'll press KTS. Okay, no problem. Just to save some processing power because मेरा कंप्यूटर उतना तगड़ा तो है नहीं. So let it complete. interface. Should we use navigation graph? We could use actually for building it. Let's build it properly. Let's use navigation graph actually. Navigation graph share preferences. Uh, yes. Okay, things look good. Yes, इधर ही कहीं से होता है ना. This, navigation. The fucking dependencies. Gotcha. Okay, so our navigation is ready. Let's rename it. Rename, web mobcam. Right. Let's have init. Mm, Streaming allow the ocean of Nova. If I run this, it will break. How to forget? Let me connect with my another phone. So, yeah, yes, wireless debugging. Uh, क्योंकि यार मैं ये यूज़ नहीं करना चाह रहा ये इसमें मतलब एचडी कैमरा फुटेजेस वगैरह वगैरह पेयरिंग लाइक डेटा लॉस एंड ऑल दो स्टफ हैपन सो मैं एक अपना ही बना लूंगा स्टोर स्टोर के नए कपड़े आ गए क्रेजी पीजी और रॉन्ग वाईफाई so let's say like पेयर हो जाए एक बार then will proceed to see like the basic version yeah we are paired cool now let's just run the first build so इसमें अभी तो simple hello world आएगा I guess this is like completely new application there is nothing in this right now as of now like complete new stuff okay so let's just run there is a delay I guess in the stream of around 30 seconds which is not bad good only चल जाओ ब्रो चल जाओ अभी अपन ने इसमें क्या डिपेंडेंसी ऐड की है आई गेस दो ही डिपेंडेंसी ऐड है नेविगेशन KTX क्या है these two normal file you must have navigation yeah this droid cam is good but I'll build my own you know own droid cam is good but building own so we got our app running like it's a hello world as of now so the basic idea of this application is going to be first this solve the issue of webcam so we can have a HD webcam using our phone then we will code that what you say अरे यार वो बनाएंगे अपन उस चीज को कोड करेंगे लाइक हम Arduino को फुल एंड्रॉइड के हेल्प से कंट्रोल कर पाएंगे कोड अपलोड कर पाएंगे देन AI the most important feature which I am going to work in is AI like we can control the Arduino based on some AI stuff on the phone so it will be like our phone is the main brain then it is connected to Arduino using Bluetooth and then we will send the data with Bluetooth एंड इन बिटवीन मेरे पास मैंने ये भी मंगवा ही लिया लाइक रजिस्टर्स एंड ऑल सो अपन कैमरा मॉड्यूल पे भी काम करेंगे लाइक आफ्टर फोन से जब वो काम करने लगेगा देन वी विल वर्क विथ दिस कैमरा मॉड्यूल आई विल शो यू इफ आई हैव लाइक because I can see there is one user live so this is the camera module I purchased I don't even know like I am an Android iOS developer I never worked with this uh, whatever we call this embedded thing. So I'm still learning. So I saw some circuit diagram and stuff. So using this camera, we will take the video inputs and then either we can send that input to the phone and do some AI stuff, or we can just have like a camera module which can be used like upload the frames on web and something like we will figure it out. First, we'll try to get the frames. But the main idea is going to be like a draggable, like you don't have to code. You can like create the structure. If I can show you, should I show you? Let's show you. Let me show you something. So, so this is something what I'm going to do. Like I have something, allow, uh, wait, wait. Okay, I'll show you something. Uh, where it is, don't connect. Give me a moment. So you can code like this, okay? You can drag like action, wait, decision, repeat, all these things you can drag and connect together, and then you can like code it. It's kind of a tree-based structure to code. This is what we'll build in future for Arduino. So yeah, I guess it's pretty cool. I believe so. At least I don't know. Is there anyone in the chat? Can't see anyone. I guess I'm talking to myself. I'm going crazy. Whatever, man. I can see there is like showing two people watching the stream, but I don't know if there is anyone or it's me only or it's some YouTube glitch. Whatever. Like we have some small components, this OLED, we have the Arduino. We'll work on this in future. So we have like this is going to be a long project. All this stuff, motor and stuff, and the most important thing to connect with the what do you say? Like to connect with the Android is this Bluetooth. Oh, I have worked in the company which I work. It's also a robotics company. So I have worked with BLEs, like Bluetooth Low Energy. But we'll work on this normal Bluetooth in this. I'm trying to figure out. I'm learning like how to even like I in the company. I'm like just a Android and iOS developer. But here I am also doing the embedded things. So yeah, that's going to be cool. Like uh so the thing is I never like worked with embedded, so I'm like trying my hands on the embedded so I can like create end-to-end features like from Android to iOS and all those stuff. So without any delay, let's just do some structuring, code structure. Here, let's create one new package fragments. It's going to be one activity, multiple fragments kind of you know, like one activity, multiple fragments kind of structure. So it will be easier for us to manage all those things. So because Android also recommend to have one fragment, like Android also recommend to have one activity and then fragments inside that. So yeah, okay, everyone went off. Okay, so no problem. Fragments. Okay, so we have our fragment ready. Now let's try some. We don't want this. I guess we'll have a relative layout instead of constraint. Instead of the constraint layout, let's have relative layout. I can see like there are four people. Anyone, if anyone is there, just write in the chat so I can know like people are really there. If no, then that's all right. Relative layout. Okay, so we'll have this, and then let's create our first fragment. New fragment blank. It's going to be info. No, it's going to be name. It's going to be web mobcam mobcam fragment. Uh, yeah, like I am working. Like I am not like yeah, I am working in a company for like I have like around 2 years of experience. So yeah, I am working. But the thing is, I want to like go somewhere else. There's it's like underpayment kind of thing. So yeah, like I right now I'm just as of now I work as a Android and iOS, but अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ कि like I'm also trying to build my own stuff and I'm learning this embedded thing. So like I'm trying my hands all over the places. So yeah, I'm working. So yeah, thank you. Also, I think one person is there in the chat, I guess. Yeah, cool. Damn, someone is there. That's pretty cool. Okay, yeah, let's start working again. So here we have, let's do the cleanup. We don't want this. We don't want all this. We not even want this. No, need no, I think we need this, but not this. Let's go to our navigation graph. Here, navigation. Pretty cool, man. There is a person watching me. Okay, let's add this graph. So we have our blank fragment. Now, uh, so let's add, where is our activity? What is that? Navigation, something. Navigation view, map parent, something like ID, I guess. ID, name, name, folder. Okay, so we'll create here. I forgot what is called. Something like layout, I believe. Uh, right. Let's ask the AI only. Okay, okay. No, no, no. That's no, no, no. Like the thing is, even for me, like even I'm doing all this bunch of stuff, still like the market is so bad. Like I'm not even able to able to switch companies. So like all this, and today what's happening, like because of this AI and all, like people are doing too much of cheating and everything. So like, man, it's just bad. It just the situation is just bad, man. Like crazy. The situation is currently is very crazy. Like like all these things, like people these days don't actually like I'm not a like expert on anything, but I like to solve problems. So but people don't value those things these days. They just want something like their specific. They like nobody gives shit about like DS and all. Like I studied from a tier 3 college. Okay, so like for me, it's even harder to get in a good company. So yeah, that's like uh, on a regular basis, I like code every day, code and code and code. I don't know how much I code, but I code every day like crazy. But still, it's bad over there. Oh yeah. So add this and let's add this Navi. See, like I learned Jetpack Compose. Uh, yeah, not able to join companies. Your goal is to switch the company, and mine is to join. But the one reason I don't got place is because I that yeah, that then to understandable. If you're not sending the thing, then it's your fault only then. But the thing is, even though like I have been doing all these things, it's very hard. Like I learned this Jetpack Compose, Android, iOS native, iOS new framework, Java legacy framework, Java Kotlin. I also did backend. Now I'm doing this embedded stuff. Still, it's bad. Like I am all over the place, and people want expert these days. Like they don't want a problem solver, I guess. I or maybe there is like bunch of nepotism. Like I don't have any connection and stuff, so I don't find things. Like I don't go around and able to find stuff. So here we go. I guess I have attached. So here, yeah, we have our blank fragment just to be sure. Let's add some stuff here. Let's add the background color. Uh, background tint, I believe red. Is there any red? No. Green. No. White. White is everywhere. Black. Let's add black. Background color. Background. Yeah, background. Color. Anything else we have? What is this? Color black. Black only. Okay. So we must see here a black color. Is my laptop. So if you like, I'll show. Should I show you my setup? No. Like, let's leave it then. So we have the graph. We have the main screen. Here also it should come. Relative layout, match parent, match parent. Uh, yeah. Let's run and check only. So it's pretty cool. Like even though they are struggling, but struggle have its own fun stuff, I guess. So first I'll create my own webcam because I don't like this Droid cam. Droid cam, it asks for premium, like it asks for money. So we have our blank black screen according to the code. So like once and it works on this socket-based connection. So if you like, if socket-based connection is there, so it's difficult to, like it's not fast enough. And we have like, and if you want to have like HD quality video stream for the webcam, you will have to like get money, give them money. So as a developer, I don't want to give anyone anything. I'll create my own. That's the correct idea, I guess. Correct logic behind this. maybe not, maybe yes. Okay, so yeah, so here we go. So most of the things I think I'll ask for this only. This give me the dependency see for what for camera camera. We have two types of camera actually like normally we can directly use the direct APIs of Android to get the camera frames, but the camera X dependency is actually better for this kind of things. Like it have more, it processes the image and stuff and give actually better output than the normal camera and stuff. Camera actually. So that's why we are going to use that. And like we don't care about the size and stuff. So who gives a shit, you know? So we are using Kotlin X Java. So we can use this both Kotlin plus the Java kind of dependency. So this is our build.gradle. If you know, you know. So let's just add the dependencies and okay. So this is, I think we can add this, or maybe we have to go with this Gradle stuff. Hmm, the camera. Yeah. Okay. Damn it. Import. Icon. Content import. What is this import and warning it's giving? Uh, okay. Live like this for Java, not Kotlin. Uh, have you worked on project that you are proud of and would you building now? So I'll tell you some of the cool projects I have worked on. I'll show you one. I'll show you one. One of my own application. Play Store. Play Store. Okay, I'll show you some. Like there are cool projects than this which I have worked on. I'll show you. Like if I like I don't post that much on LinkedIn and stuff, but I have built like a bunch of stuff. So one of them I'll show you. Say safe circle. So this is like a older version. I have to create a video to comply with Google and yeah, and on work on it. So this is a location tracking application. Okay. So like you can track location, you can create a family group and all of you can see each other's location. You don't have to keep your phone always on and stuff. It will track everything in the background. And अरे यार, for Java give ambience lighting and it's simple. Yeah. So as I was talking, so this is one of the things, and I'll explain the features of this safe circle first. So it can track location, it can send notification, it can trigger emergency. You can see most important thing. I haven't hosted any backend for this, so most of the computation goes on inside your phone only. So you are not it's like a zero cost infrastructure for me. So I'm not getting charged for this application. It's completely zero cost for me. Uh, and then there is this project in my company I have worked on. It's a humanoid robot, and the vision, computer vision, like camera is your phone is the camera, and as you move your arms and stuff, the humanoid robot also is going to move the arms and stuff. And then I have created recently created this AI based features. So like in your phone, you can code like drag and drop blocks and stuff and make entire logic. And then based on that logic, your camera captures frames and process that image based on the different AI stuff. Like for this project, I have added like uh, face detection, hand gestures, and you can train actually. You can train that detection in your phone only directly. Like you can capture entirely new thing and train on your phone, and then you can like use that to process new logic. So it's what are those features like face detection, object detection, pet detection, hand gestures, color, motion tracking, line tracking, then line tracking, and I guess and some more features are the motion tracking, line tracking, and also new object training. And then I'll show you one more AI project I have created. You can see this chatterbox voice. This is also I have created. So this is a application. So recently I was trying this voice to sorry, text to voice. Okay, text to voice. So I was trying this 11 labs. So I didn't like the 11 labs thing because it only gives you very limited amount of credit, and thus it's going to like charge you and stuff. So this is my local. This is working entirely on local. So this creates a bunch of like this is the entire script. Like I have tried some scripts and stuff. So you can pause, like give pause. You can add emotions, all these emotions, character, chuckle, laugh, and all those things, and it produces sound. You can even clone someone's voice. For example, I'll show you, I'll show some voices here. Play.
Hi there, this is a quick preview of how I sound.
This is one voice. If you are able to hear, I guess.
Hi there, this is a quick preview of how I sound.
So these are like bunch of voices. So I'll show you
Hi
some more.
there, this is a quick preview of how I Hi there, this is
I'll
a
I'll
quick preview of how I
I'll sh
sound.
I'll show you one of the
Hi
voice.
there, this is a quick preview of how I sound.
Hi there, this is a quick preview of how
So
I
there
sound.
are you can even clone some of the voices. Like for example, these are some voices I clone.
Hi there, this is a quick preview of how I sound.
This is one Bella,
Hi there, this is a quick preview of how I sound.
and then this
Hi
is
there.
Modi ji.
This is a quick preview of how I sound.
This is I cloned from around like 5 or 6 seconds of sound.
Hi there, this is a quick preview of how I sound.
This is a combination of a girl, like whatever the voices you can see, you can even mix those voices. Okay, so you can mix those voices and produce a new voice. So here you can like simply click and produce a new voice. This is like whatever, like you can choose here one voice, choose here second voice, mix. You can choose the intensity, who will dominate what. So yeah, and there is this application, and then there is this application. This is also I created. So this is like a video editor. So I was creating some YouTube content. I was trying some. So instead of going on a editor and doing like putting everything and stuff, so I made a format like you can give like 00 and the timing. Okay. And you can just choose the sound, choose the folder of images. It will put all the images here, and voila, you have your like you can add some like there where it is. Yeah, you can add some background sound. For example, this one. Okay, so you can add those background sounds, and boom, click the render button and render. Yeah, like voice application, like with this help of some AI and stuff, I created like I created designed the entire structure, and most of the code is done by the AI. But like I know how it's going to work, and there is this model I haven't trained, like the this what is this called? Coco something. The Coco model is actually trained by some other because I don't have the resources to train the models. So the models are trained by someone else, and then I use those model. Uh, I implemented this entire logic, and using this, so you can like mix and stuff. I added all this logic for pause and see this voice generation and this laughter, small laughter, laugh and everything. Uh, is different thing. Okay, for like this voice generation and this emotions. Okay, this is different. And this characters, like you can not only just have one character in the entire script, you can add like multiple these names you can add like Heart, Bella, and those things, and it will narrate like a multi-person thing. So I implemented all this logic. It's like two different models, and I combined those things and did all this stuff. So it's like a local voice generation model. So you don't have to pay anyone and stuff, and like you can have all these things. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I believe. Yeah, so let's just have this camera dependencies. Boom. Yeah. Now let's try again to sync our project. Let's stop it run. Otherwise, because my PC is not that much powerful, so it will stuck eventually, I believe. If not, will. So yeah, I'll show you one setup. I'll if it's I'll I'll show you something how I'm using this my entire stuff. So I have like two Android phones. Okay, so this is my first, which is I'm using as webcam, and say this is my PC. Okay. Wait, I'll just do this. Wait, back. So this is my PC. If it's coming here, yeah. So this is my PC. This is I'm using as CPU, and this is my monitor. Okay. So this is going to be like this is I'm using as PC because its screen is fully broken. It's not working. So I'm like kind of a jugadu kind of a guy. So then I have this spared Android phone. So I'm using it as a webcam. And now, like as I'm using this webcam, I'm using this third-party software, Droid Cam. So I don't like this. So because of that, only I'm going to build my own webcam, so I can have a HD frames collecting on this my PC, and I can use that to stream and stuff. So this is how I'm doing stuff. Like I'm just bad at marketing myself, I guess. Because of that only I'm not getting anywhere. So yeah, any other thing you want to ask? It's pretty cool. Like if someone is watching you, it's pretty cool to like interact and like go along. So I'm using this my second phone as a comment section, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, like I have been coding like all this thing also if you want to see like you can see this lead code cap I got. I've been coding this. This is my like profile. I have not been coded for around a week because I was doing all this bunch of other stuff. Recently, because recently in the company I got a crazy error which took like huge amount of time. So I've been coding like for quite a long time, like bunch of years. I started like around 2024. Here, this full year, I full dedicated myself to grind over lead code and all those stuff. So does Droid Cam charges money to give HD quality video? I mean, isn't there any free software on Linux? No, see, Droid Cam is the one of the best, and other software like some are most of them are paid. So like a basic version they will give. Okay, so the basic version you can have, and all these software for HD footages they will charge money. So the idea is also they most of them are most of them working on this WebSocket. Okay, so like WebSockets are basically fast because but the thing is it's a wireless connection, so it first goes on my local Wi-Fi network, and then based on that Wi-Fi network it give the computer will receive the frames and it will work on that. But the idea behind using creating own is to have a webcam based on USB debugging. USB debugging is basically a developer option. So in that it will be more faster and more reliable to get the frames. And having this camera setup, I can have my own control. So see, you can as of now you can see there is a background in my back, right? So if I have my own application, I can control this. Like I can use some tool out there to like or do some pure image processing to remove this background, and so I can have like only myself. Like I can use AI to detect myself and remove the background. So all those things I can implement if like if I have my own application, I can, you know, I can do stuff. I have the entire control on my own hand. You know, the power of being creator is to be feel like a god, like to feel all those things. So, it's crazy. So so we have our layout inflated over here. So, hmm, so we want our camera. So see, these days, like programming practices of mine have changed. In older days, like I have like yeah, USB debugging will be faster, and plus it will be more reliable. And see, this what is this Droid Cam? Droid Cam doesn't provide like any AI stuff. So what if I want to detect only humans and remove everything else? So, you can see the idea. Like, if you have your own application, you can detect only person or certain things and remove the background, send those frame to the PC, and then use it to stream stuff. Also, like in older days, we used to mostly code everything by ourselves. Nowadays, we only do the like overall structuring of the things. We just see the codes produced by AI, and we do those things. And like Claude and everything have become like very good. So it's become like way faster method to, produce any tools and stuff. So we can produce these things very fast, like all these things, stuff and everything. You just need to know the right idea, like how this thing even implemented, how we can even implement. If you have the idea, you can do those things. So like if I just give, yeah, so this is the UI. No, not, no, 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 not this one. You can, if you want, you can like go to my GitHub. You can join. This is my GitHub, I guess. GitHub.com. This is me. Like here, I have been creating. This is my one of my projects. This is a plugin which goes in uh, the IDE directly. You can see here. This is the I made it like a curse voodoo doll, but this is a basically API. You can hit APIs using similar to Postman and stuff. These are all the apps I worked on my previous companies and all these things. iOS, Home Triangle, bunch of stuff, lead code. This is like all these things. Git flow is there. This is one of the iOS application, and this post kit is there. My app store. I even created my own like app store kind of thing because the app store is also restricting a bunch of my small projects. So here all bunch of my small. This is all AI. This is unplug. I tried to using this concept. I try to hack. This is a whiteboard. Like I have created this for myself. Most of the project I created for myself only, I believe. This is like you can draw and stuff. I created this because the all those web-based plot GitHub profile looks solid. Yeah, thank you, man. So all this web-based platform show bunch of ads in this side, which I don't like, and lots of things are not present, and those things are not even fast. See how fast is this? Like I created this structure very like what's happening here. This look this might look very simple on the surface, but there is a bit of logic going in behind of this. I'll explain you something. So instead of putting everything directly, like you can control Z, right? So instead of putting everything in one go, I put like a buffer. So it will first put that in a buffer. Then once we are done with the stroke, okay, once we are done in the stroke, then it puts in the main buffer. So like there is bunch of stuff going on. You can create multiple pages and stuff. See how fast this one. You can choose colors and all these things. You can add images, you can add shapes, you can add all those things like basic stuff because I created like a basic for my tools. This I created when I was doing lead code and I want somewhere to write and stuff to doodle things. You can see here I am doing some GitHub lead code stuff, some question I was doing. I don't even remember now. Uh, uh, and I'll show you some more projects where it is. Character to bits. Yeah, this project I have created for some my friend for free. I guess I created for him. So this is what it does. So once like you have some character, you have seen those billboards, right? Like all those LED strip. For example, I'll give you one example. You have seen this display, this Arduino based display. Here it's like 16 cross like something board. Okay, they're small LEDs and stuff. So to show those characters, okay, to show those characters like A, B, and C, you need some pixelated values, right? Like to on and off bits. You want the on bits which LEDs to turn on and which LEDs to turn off. So here you can do this. You can uh, type something. Okay, we we create those typings into an image, and then we convert that image into black and white pixelated values based on the configuration you have done, like 16 cross 16, 18 cross, whatever the configuration you have done, and then we produce a sequence like for them this is the required format they wanted. This is like the pixelated values, which one to on, which one to off in that entire box. Okay, so like doing this, you can have a character on that like thing. So you can have like entire strip of stuff like going on. Oh, I know the LED screen and the business on the billboard and restaurants. Hello, hello, fun baby 108. Hello, bro. So this is like how I like. This is a kind of a friendship project, I will say. Like this is my friend for which who I created. Then there is this chat room application I just created on like for some random reason I don't even remember. This is like you can just host I guess it's live. Okay, it's my website is also down here. After this, I most of the website I started. Who are you? Bro, I'm just me, bro. I'm Robin. I'm just a developer and doing some stuff which is I don't know what I'm doing, bro. actually, to be fair. I just like to, code and stuff. As a, I'll show you some of other projects also. Uh, like, I created, if I go way back, like years and years back, like when I was like super noob at coding, those times I used to code entire thing by my hand. Like, there was no AI over that time. There's nothing at that time, like nothing, literally nothing. I won this Hacktoberfest like few years back. There is this Jarvis. You might have remembered these things. I sub for it. Thanks, bro. Thanks for supporting, bro. Very cool. So this is Jarvis project. You might know this with Code with Harry. I used to watch those things, and then we created this snake game. I am very proud of this game actually. I created this entire game by myself. I didn't even edit README properly. I don't know at that time how to even create the snake game. Uh, and hard. Thanks, bro. Yeah, I do earn. I do earn, bro, but not much. But I do earn. Like I'm like in a situation where I can afford myself, but not like go beyond. I don't have like my personal space and everything. Like I live in a PG, you can say. So yeah, thanks, man. So this is one of another games which I created that time. I'm very proud of these games. Like one is this Flappy Bird and all those stuff I used to create that time to do applications, small stuff, DSA and all these things, This is quite nostalgic for me now to see all these projects. See, I have created around 94 projects. Show me your Show me your most basic project. Okay, I'll show you this. I'll show you, no, this. I guess I have created some super basic. I was so dumb. I used to post my college lab manuals on GitHub. Man, all these are private now. Like, but you can see. This is like these are the basic things. Some no readme and stuff, but I'll show you like these are nothing. Simple stuff like to do application. For example, like I just created some to do all those YouTube. No, yeah, I'll show you this thing like Android. I used to do like this Android basic project. Those times like we don't ha used to have AI. This guy is good. This like all this to do basic to do application. I used to search like this. Uh, they are good, man. These are yeah. This like these projects are. Yeah, I created this one. The same thing. Like I used to watch this entire. YouTube tutorial line by line. Like he used to type A, I will type A. He will type B, I'll type B. Like that I used to do. Then I like gradually I become more experienced slowly. Then I used to create all this bunch of stuff by my own. Now I can like create all these things. Then also I'll show you some this Flappy Bird, full basic stuff. Then Then we have some most of these projects which are there now are not even actually working. Like it's like halfway through. It's not fully completed. You're from India, I think. I'm from. Oh, yeah, I'm from India. Oh, you're from Pakistan. Cool, man. Cool. So yeah, I'm from India. So this one of these projects I created. Uh, this is this is like railway PNR because I used to like uh, want to have some tracking application for railway just for some random reason I used to create this and so what happened after that the people who from where I was scrapping this data they closed their service only. So this project is no longer working. This is one of my college project. So this is like a attendance system. The images are lost for some reason, I don't know. Like this is a attendance system. It's built on the most basic, most primitive technology, like very old Java swing. You might never know. Like, you might don't know even know what is Java swing is. It's like super basic stuff. Uh, I think I really want to work on the development, but how do you create the architecture of the project? So the architecture of the project is something you learn. Like as the time goes by, there is no proper architecture only. See, I have created my own architecture. Architecture is nothing but how you keep your things, like how you want to work, how to make it maintainable. So as you create bunch of projects, you start to pick like these things are giving me a problem. These things is not good for me. Like I forgot that time I placed that file. It took me like 4 hours to find that again. So this thing gradually comes. I have for normal projects, I have created my own file structuring and architecture and stuff. And for backend and stuff, I have created my. There is one industry standard. Okay, if you work in a company, there is an industry standard and their company standard. Like they have a proper structure of how they want their files to be. Everyone have to follow that. But when you are creating your own project, you will see like there are a bunch of stuff you don't even care. So why to keep them? Just remove them. Fuck them. Who cares? So these things like come slowly, slowly as per the time goes by. So you can create your entire architecture. It is just a technology. It's nothing like a line which has been drawn. You have to follow. This is a web RTC application. This is a video calling application. So I have this video calling application. This is quite nostalgic, I guess. See, this is when 3 years ago. So there that time even no AI was there. So this is a very basic application. So this is a fire-based system. We create a room and then start chatting. This is a very bad architecture, actually, I'll say, because because I used to no, this is actually not bad because it's using RTC, which is actually a socket-based connection. So this is not bad. This is also good. So I used to connect line, then see I'll show it will have like two phones, location and stuff, and then finally a video call. This is me in first phone. This is me in second phone. So I used to, the video calling is going on. This is when I was trying to get an internship, man, and I didn't even get the internship. Fuck that company. So yeah, like all these things, and this alarm application. I created this UPI scammer kind of application by which you can, install in someone's phone and then scrap the data out of it. I think it's here somewhere. Uh, Recently, I tried to contribute on an open source platform. They don't even, no, let me. I'll show you one more cool project. Uh, where is this? Where is this? Where is this? I think I haven't created an APK for it. This one I haven't posted anywhere. This is pretty cool stuff. Is it this one only? I guess if I have not added any. Did I have added? Yes, okay. I have added the README and stuff. I'll explain you from there only. So this is basically a YouTube pipeline. Okay, this is the basic UI. Uh, so this is the main stuff. So what you can do in this? Okay, so you have some seen some clips, right? YouTube shorts and stuff. So what you have to do? Very simple. You just have to pick that YouTube video link and paste here. Okay. here is the channel. You can select your channel. You have to add that JSON, like there is a file called for to connecting to YouTube. You can either add that or you can just skip the direct upload and you can upload manually. So you can just paste your YouTube video link here. Okay, then select. I have like some local models, local AI models in my PC. I have installed it, and then you have to select your targeted country, like for which country you want to target your videos to, and yeah, that's it, I guess. That's it. And then you just have to run full pipeline. What it will do, it will download the file, download the resources, and then also like plan the videos. Like it will choose a best interval to clip that videos, clip it, render it, add captions to the video, and then upload it to your channel. Isn't this cool? You can even even you can select the timing, like which date you want to publish. Here it's like a gap. So it's a gap. Like every 2 hours, it will schedule the next video. Every 2 hours, it will schedule the next video. So from one long format video, it will clip like 10, 12 videos, something like that. 30, 40, 50. Here you can, you choose the duration, how long you want your short videos to be. So this is also one of the projects I've created, but I don't know, man. I don't know. This is like the file structure. Most of the things are in same folder only. This is my this is a Safe Circle web application. So in Safe Circle, earlier it only used to share the data in phone, but you can now even share with in web-based format. You can just share the link, and the other person can go on the web and look at your location. So that's also a thing. And yeah, like I have to create one video for YouTube to, comply with the issues, and thus I can like have my app again live up and running. So yeah, this is cool. So let's get back, man. Too much talking, I guess. So for now, like this is how we should start. Like now. Uh, Most of this, like these days, I don't even code much, like manually, because AI does it fast. Now, create a simple UI with one button as this is, see, this one which I'm using currently, this is Java, like old one. You can even use like Kotlin and stuff. I even work with that, like Jetpack Compose and stuff. But I thought I should go with Java only. Button as start, and on click we need to start the camera. Are you there, man? Nova, Nova, bro. Cool, bro. Damn, this is the first time I have like this many interaction actually in a YouTube video. Like I was making this entire setup. It took me a time, quite a time, but to like come up with this setup, it's just you know, I never like did this thing. This is like a first proper stream, I will say. I had like usually like zero people are there in my stream, so this is cool. This is cool. This is actually pretty cool. So let's just have the UI. There will be a holder to hold the preview, camera preview. Then there is this button, relative layout, pretty cool. And then we have this. Does we given the camera permission? Yes, we have the camera permission. Is he asking the camera permission on create request? Yes. Why it's using the older version. It's a deprecated, but no problem. So we have our manifest. Let's add the permission, and then boom, we got stuff ready. Let's add this hardware. Obviously, hardware must be there. No, what a feedback. Let's just run. Are you there, bro? Hello, hello. What do you think? Like, do you think I'm a like good, decent developer or just an average? Can I like those people which you see on the internet, like creating all this bunch of stuff, crazy stuff? And what do you think? And compared to them, which kind of developer I am? And why it's not coming? The nav host. And copy, cancel. This is the oh, that is this. That is this. Uh, this is the start destination, right? Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, shit. Did I add it in the wrong place? Yes, it's there. Then, yeah, it's there now. Okay. Yeah. So this is the idea is going to be. So this is how we usually structure our project. So first we'll have like a basic stuff going on, like camera is working and stuff. Then we'll figure out how we can send this data because no developer knows everything from start only. Everyone like learn along the way. This is like we are getting our stuff and boom, camera is ready. This is like a pretty like good quality than this normal camera which I'm getting. So using this, we can have this camera and everything, and we will have the entire control. K karo, karo. What is K karo, bro? I didn't get it. K karo. What is K karo? क्या कर रहा हूँ वो पूछ रहे हो क्या bro? Like just building an webcam application as of now. Then we'll proceed it to like doing big stuff. It's going to be a long series, I guess. I won't be able to do this entire thing in one go, but I'll do it slowly, slowly, slowly. So as of now, my internet connection is actually pretty good. What is K Karo means, bro? I really want to understand. Also, like, give me this suggestion. Should I talk in Hindi or should I talk in English? Like, I'm not sure. Like, what should I do? Like, which language I should go with? So. And this feels good actually. Feels pretty good. Having like three people commenting on the chat. Damn, bro, damn. Am I a successful YouTuber now? Am I? मेरे पीसी की तो ऐसी तैसी हो गई है लाइक इतना पावर इतने पावर में उसका जान निकल गया so we got the start and stop kind of feature stop yo it's just stays with the last frame need to oh wah, 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 wah. La, 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 la. And today we got like fucking three people. Isn't this cool? This Claude code is actually pretty good. Like we use in the company also nowadays. Like it's not like only we are using this and stuff normally, but we are using this in companies also. Like in the company which where I work, like there also we are doing this stuff. Stop need to be cleared. Oh, we make it invisible only. Fucking preview holder. Hmm, let's rerun. Ah, so we got our start and stop feature running, up and running. Now we will start doing stuff. Hello भाई, कैसे हो bro? Family use, कैसे हो bro? Hi hi hi. भाई साहब आज तो मतलब लोग पे लोग आए जा रहे हैं चैटों में चैटें हो जाएंगी क्या आज वेरी कूल ब्रो लाइक थैंक्स ब्रो टू ज्वाइनिंग स्टे हियर स्टे ट्यून्ड हाँ काफी सारा कोड हो रहा है ब्रो अभी अपने को मेन फिगर आउट करना है हाउ वी विल कनेक्ट दिस सो लेट्स जस्ट थोड़ा यूआई के लिए अपन थोड़ा काम करते हैं यूआई पे हेलो भाई कैसे हो यार सारे चले गए क्या पहले वाले लोग यार ये तो अच्छी बात नहीं है ब्रो वैसे मैं इसको स्ट्रीम को अराउंड 2 मैं इसको स्टॉप कर दूंगा लाइक मेरे को थोड़ा खाना वाना भी खाना है देन मे बी आई कम अगेन लाइव अराउंड 4 सो क्या स्टे ट्यून्ड यार डीले है क्या मेरा डीले है कि पब्लिक का डीले है अच्छा मेरा ही डीले है ओके क्वेश्चन मार्क इमेज इमेज icon so this is the place where we get all this stuff usually कोई एक अच्छा सा इमेज अगर क्वेश्चन मार्क रहेगा तो पब्लिक उस पर क्लिक करके देन थोड़ा अपन उसको यूएसबी डिबगिंग वगैरह का सिस्टम बता पाएंगे. दिस लुक्स गुड. लेट्स हैव अ smaller version. No, not 64. Somewhere around 128 free download. जिस दिन मैं अमीर हो जाऊंगा इस इस वेबसाइट को तो जरूर डोनेट करूंगा मैं कुछ ना कुछ. Isn't this cool? How many people are there? Which college? From which college? Tier 3 college, bro. No one, nothing fancy. Simple. Just a tier 3 college. You know, like, see, I'll tell you like story. Like I was never in this coding and stuff. Then I slowly like studied. My family just put me in this thing. Then I started liking this all. And now I day and night I have nothing better to do. I do this thing only. Got it? So let's just compress with no, not compare, compress. We need to uh, there must be somewhere. This is like lossless encoding. So this will reduce the size and keep the resolution at. Uh, I'm from CSE, BTech bro, like CS department. Uh, where are you from, bro? Like you are asking me about me. Tell me about which college you are from. You are like AIML. I I'll tell you, like I do these days like bunch of AI/ML stuff, but AI stuff, but I'm not from AI branch actually. So tell me, where are you from, brother? Neil. Are you there, bro? Neil, Nitin, Mukesh. Hello. What is this extension? WDP. Oh, you're from III, huh? Triple IT. Oh, Triple IT. Cool, bro. Cool, cool, cool. Triple IT Ahmedabad. My friend is from Gujarat, Ahmedabad. No, not Ahmedabad. He's from where is that temple? What is called? Uh, something it's called. I forgot that it's near the ocean. He is from there. He is working in Infosys these days. So, what you do? Which branch you are in? Hmm? You are from which branch, bro? Triple IC Ahmedabad. So, what's going in the like uh IIT Pragraj? UP? Bro, now you are trolling. How you can be from two colleges? You are from IIT Ahmedabad also. You are IIT from IT. What's even going on, bro? Are you even from a college? Bro, like you are from IIT Ahmedabad or IIT Prayagraj or you are from IT department. Tell me clearly, like which branch you are from. I am from IIT Ahmedabad. Oh, Allahabad. Sorry, sorry, bro. My bad, my bad. It's like far no screen. So, okay. IIT Ahmedabad, Prayagraj. My department is IT. Oh, cool, bro. Cool. IIT in no, triple IT in the house. Oh, IIT in the house. Sorry, not triple IT. IIT. Living the. So what's going on in these days over there? क्या कुछ like कुछ crazy हो रहा है क्या उधर? Something you are building which is like super crazy or something like drone tech or something. Because these days I am working on a drone. No, I was working on a drone. Then I made the controller and stuff, and then that's all. In the last company where I worked, uh, let me explain what I'm making. So uh, today is my play. Oh, cool, bro. All the best, bro. All the best, very best. Be one tip for the placement. Okay, one tip for the placement. Be natural, be honest, like about your skills and stuff. Because these days, interviewer are able to grasp what you are not like capable of and stuff. So be honest over there. And about that, what I'm making. So I'll explain. So the my idea is to control the Arduino board using Android phones. So there is going to be two type of stuff. Firefox hire me for 19 point. Oh, cool, bro. Give me a recommendation, bro. Oh, cool, cool. Like have a nice journey over there. All the best. Full on money now. Man with the money. Cool. So so I'll explain what I'm making. So I'm making a controller which is like which you can code it on phone, not like typing. You can like drag and drop blocks of code and then uh, drag and drop blocks of code and then you can create the entire logic. There is two modes. There are going to be two modes. Okay. First mode is like where your phone is going to be the processor and Arduino board is going to be the executor. Okay. So like if image comes like there is this thing I train my face, and if I come to the camera, it will detect it's me. We can perform something. Bye, brother. Bye, bye, bye. So the Arduino board is going to perform something like turn on the light or something like that as soon as it detects my face. Where your phone is going to be the processor. Okay, camera processor and stuff. Second thing is you code the entire thing, upload to the Arduino. Now it's independent and it's going to run that code again and again like that. So this is the second idea. So to make all before making all those things, I don't like this Droid camera webcam because this is not giving me HD footage and this is not fast enough. This is not reliable enough. And yeah, I want to like add AI to this camera module also. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm building my own camera module with by which I can get like HD frames, no restriction, entire control on my hand, and then I can like I can use this camera module to stream my stream to do this. So as of now, I'm making this camera module. So yeah, that's it for now. Like I'm building this stuff. So we are doing bunch of stuff as of now. Here is the like this is like I thought like instead of making like super basic, I thought like we should give some UI and make it look decent enough. I'll say uh, white tint is not tinting. And let's remove this. This is enough. Yeah, looks decent. What do you think? Does it look decent? Uh, Funny baby. Bro, are you there? Are you also left? Say something. I like to talk. Mm. But like this is like feel very nice, like to have people in the stream. I usually don't get any, but this is nice. This is a nice. So we'll build this entire thing slowly, like as the time goes by. Sometime I do things off camera, so, but I'll try to stick it to like on stream only. So like I'll try to build entire thing on the stream only. Let's just create a repository for this, so we can have like a backup, you know, so we can have a backup and stuff. GitHub is a very nice place to be, honestly. Let's give the name mob camp, mob camp, mob camp. Yes. Okay, and then just create a simple repository. Let's just connect. Give me on the suggestion, like, should I speak in Hindi or English? Like, what should I go with? Hello. Hey, bro, this is very nice, to interact with people. Otherwise, like, most of these things I build in a loneliness, I say. So this is nice to like have some people while building these things, like to chat and stuff. Wait, wrong. Let's just kill the app first. Let's push, push, almighty push. So we have our app live. I guess, bro, I'm also like super tired for today. So I guess let's break this. I need to have some food. I haven't didn't had anything since the morning. So let's stop this for today. Like not today, like for now, like maybe I'll come after around 4 to stream back. I think I should create one timing or something. Like on Saturday, Sunday, I'll do in the morning stream. Also in the weekdays where I have works, I usually stream at the night. So I think I'll stop for now, and we'll proceed this in the future. So I guess bye. Just say bye in the chat if anyone is there. Anyone is there? I'll just wait for few minutes if any messages, anything you people have. Otherwise, I'll stop the stream. So yeah, is anyone there to say bye? I'm saying bye. Hello. I guess no one is there. So bye, bro. Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye, buddy. And no one is there. No one is there. No one is there. And bye.